Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do a beautiful bracelet using these. Take one, you can place it between the two fingers, turn around and you are going to place it like this. Take the next one, place it on the top. So we didn't twist anything. Take the next one without twisting, place it on the top. So there are 3 layers. Next, take this bottom layer and place it on the top. Next, this bottom layer, place it on the top. Next, this is dark color. So next, take the light color. So now we are going to follow the pattern. That is, take this bottom layer, place it on the top. This side, you are going to take the middle layer and place it on the top. So this side we took the bottom layer, this side middle layer. Next, place the next one. So the one trick is, if you have two light colors on the same side, you have to take the bottom layer. And if you have different color, we will take the middle layer. So if you see here, we are having two light colors. So here we'll take the bottom layer. This side we will take the middle layer. So next, if you see here, two dark color. So we'll take the bottom layer. This side the middle layer. So next, here two light color, so bottom layer, this side middle layer. Here two dark, so bottom layer this side middle layer. So like this way you are going to continue. Next we'll keep the dark color. So if you have two same color, we will take the bottom layer. Two different colors, we will take the middle layer. We should not take both the sides the same thing. If you are taking the bottom, we should not take here also bottom. One side we will take the bottom layer, other side the middle layer. So if you see here, two same colors. So here bottom layer and here we will take the middle layer. So you have to continue them till the required size of the bracelet you want. After doing them till the required size, it looks like this. So next, place the next one. Same dark color, down part, this side middle part. Next, bring this down part, bring this down part. So after doing them, the bracelet looks like this. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.